Hey there! Imagine this. What if you could start earning money online right now using artificial intelligence? Sounds like science fiction, right? But today, AI is helping everyday people like you and me build income streams from scratch. And the best part, this opportunity is still on the ground floor, and you can get in before everyone else does. AI is everywhere, from generating creative videos and writing best-selling ebooks, to designing logos and editing social media posts in seconds. Just a few years ago, these things took hours or even days to create. Now, with AI, it takes minutes. But here's what most people miss. AI isn't just a trend, it's a tool, and people who learn how to use it early are already turning simple prompts into serious profits. Some are making side income, others are launching full-time businesses, and a few are even automating their workflows to earn passive income while they sleep. The secret? You don't need to be a tech genius. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to learn something new. Let's break down some real-life ways people just like you are cashing in on AI content creation. People are using AI to write blogs, craft YouTube scripts, and create engaging social media content faster than ever before. Online courses and ebooks. AI can outline, write, and even format entire ebooks and online courses. Sell them on Amazon or your own website, and build a stream of income with your unique knowledge. Freelance services. Design logos, write emails, make marketing videos, and offer these services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. AI can help you deliver more in less time. Automating businesses. Automate customer support, schedule appointments, and manage social media, all using AI bots. Save hours every week and focus on growing your business. New opportunities. Everyday AI is always evolving, so there are new tools and trends popping up daily. The key is to experiment and stay ahead of the curve. And remember, most people still haven't started using AI for profit. This is your chance to learn and build before everyone else jumps in. Why is right now the perfect time? Because this is the ground floor. When the internet first started, only a few people saw the opportunity to build websites, start blogs, or launch online stores. Now those people are the leaders in their industries. AI is the next big thing, and by getting in now, you give yourself a head start before the market gets crowded. Don't wait until everyone's already making money and you're left playing catch up. Start experimenting, start learning, start earning. Ready to jump in? Here's how you can start today. Pick one AI tool. Try something free and easy, like an AI video maker, blog writer, or image creator. Practice with real projects. Create a video, write a short ebook, or design a few social media posts for yourself or a friend. Offer your skills. Post your work on freelance platforms, social media, or your own website. Keep learning. Stay curious. The more you play with AI, the more money-making ideas you'll discover. Remember, you don't have to be an expert to start making money with AI. You just have to start. If you want more tips, step-by-step guides, and the latest AI profit ideas, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Got questions or want to share your own AI success story? Drop a comment below. The ground floor is waiting. Are you in?